friends, and welcome back to another informative video by My Victory Club. Today we are here to address a common concern among crypto traders: the complexities or issues surrounding Bitcoin and SIITO token. Many of you are wondering how to redeem SIITO, transfer it to your wallet and convert it to BUSD. Well, worry no more. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step, making it incredibly easy for you to solve this problem. Friends, in our previous video, we shared valuable information about the SIITO wallet. If you haven't watched it yet, we highly recommend checking it out. As you may already know, we can withdraw from the SIITO wallet on the 10th, 15th, and 22nd of every month. Exciting news awaits us as SIITO coin has come in Indian exchange. Additionally, our e-commerce turnaround form and vouchers will be launching in the near future. Now, let's dive into the process of converting your SIITO into BUSD. When you open the SIITO wallet's homepage, you will find BNB, BUSD, and SIITO tokens. When you visit a BUSD conversion platform, navigate to the Profile and Settings section. Look for the option to download the Google Withdrawal and Identity Code. Retrieve these codes from Google Authentication and Withdrawal. Now, if you wish to withdraw larger amounts, you can apply for Tier 2 verification. By clicking on Binance USD, you will find the BUSD address. Now, let's head back to the SIITO wallet. Once completed, you will notice BUSD credited to your account, ready for you to sell or use as you wish. Congratulations! Your BUSD has been successfully converted. You can now utilize it for various transactions. Remember, great work and success require patience. So, while you embark on this journey, it's important to remain patient. Similarly, our application may undergo some changes, ensuring seamless withdrawals in the future. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video with more valuable information.